In this episode, we're doing something I've never done before, and that's a charcuterie dish. We got everything that a man would need to do a charcuterie dish. And ladies, if you're listening, if you want to get to your man's heart, something like this is exactly what they want. All right, let's try it. So I'm just using this andouille sausage. I'm going to go through and cut it about 1/2 to 2/3 of the way through. It's going to be really nice too later on when these are done. We'll put them on that charcuterie board or whatever you want to put them on. These things are going to already be pre-cut and won't take much to finish them off. It's a bit of a delicate operation though. You don't want to go too far or you break that chain. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That's perfect. You use what you want, but I'm going to use some Uncle Steve's smoke bomb on this. Sprinkle it over the top. Allow it to get into that. Just really get in there. And once again, you got to be really careful. See that one there, I think I've almost cut too far. All right, perfect. Flip it over. Oh no. Yeah, we're just got to be really careful. I'm going to put it on the smoker, 225, 30 minutes. With our smoker at 2 1/4, just going to put these down very delicately. I'm going to cook this for about probably 30, 35 minutes. Then we'll check it out. All right, at this point, all we have left of those sausages, we got about 10 minutes left on them. And then we're going to coat them with a little barbecue sauce. And for this one, I'm using G Hughes. Looks like his original sugar-free barbecue sauce. All right, we'll see at that point. 35 minutes in the smoker was a magic number. Now it's time to put that barbecue sauce over it because that barbecue sauce is going to get into the cuts that we made. It's just going to add more flavor all around. Let's pour our barbecue sauce over the top. Just like that. Oh yeah. Give it a nice thick coat. So we're going to want barbecue sauce on the top and we're going to want it in our cuts. All right. Let's do another 15 on that. Damn, that looks good. Now that we put that barbecue sauce on it, we're going to give it another 15 minutes at 2 1/4. I think it's time to pull it. Look at that deep, rich color on that. Wow, that is amazing. I think it's time to pull it off though. We're going to use some of our really, really nice. Oh man. That's what happens when you grill sometimes. It's fly season here at the El Deuterino Ranch. Let's do this. I think that looks awesome. I think it's time to dig in. Let's try it out. All right. I'm going to start by cutting up front here. Oh, glad I cleaned that top. Let's try it out. Good. Oh, I got my glass of wine here. You know, seriously, that Uncle Steve's smoke bomb on there with the G Hughes barbecue sauce, good stuff. Let's try a pickle. You know, in the South, they like onions. I went with red. Totally good. Let's try it all together. Yeah, I love how it rolls off. To make this look nice, I put a box of nails underneath, believe it or not. So, I got pickle and cheese. Get herself a slice of onion. Take a bite of that andouille. This is man heaven right here. Damn. You know, I gotta say, I made a lot of foods over this last 4 years, but this is one of the best I've ever made. I'm not sharing with anybody. Well, of course, you guys. This is so good. You saw how we did it. Super easy. We're just kind of shifting gears as we're getting into the fall. This would actually be kind of cool if you had some friends over playing or watching a game. Playing a game too. All right, guys, there you go. Did you know we have memberships now? $1.99 makes you a grilling achiever. So check it out. Appreciate it, guys. Humbled. We'll talk to you on the next episode. Tell me how it goes if you make this. Peace.